You should eat something. 2 araw ka nang di kumakain. And you're missing your meds too.
She's right, Ash. Baka lala ka pang magkasakit niyan.
What's the point of trying to stay healthy? Wala na sa buhay ko yung papa ko. Jasmine, all my life. Si Papa yung naging kakampi ko. Every time na nape-pressure ako kay Mama sa school, he would tell me na kahit ano pa yung grades ko, it's okay. As long as I learn, hindi ako nagpapabaya. And he supported me with wanting to be a fashion designer. He even hid all of my drawings from Mama. Kasi he knows na itatapon lang niya yun. I love my Papa. Siya yung lagi nagpe-protect sa akin. Nagtatanggol sa akin. Pero hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko kahit wala na siya. Wala na siya, Jasmine.
Mula nang dumating yung mga labi ni Edward, hindi mo pa sinisilip yung kabaong niya. Puntahan natin at magdasal tayo, ha?
Karapatan ba ako gawin mo, Rina?
Ano?
Hindi ako karapat-dapat na tumingin sa kanya. Buong buhay niya, yung pasakit ng binigay ko sa kanya. Kung kailan ko tinatama ang mga maling ginawa ko sa kanya. Saka naman siya kumuha sa akin. I wasn't even given a chance na makabawi.
All he ever wanted was your acknowledgement and your affection. At nung namatay siya kahit sa maikling panahon, you were able to give him that. So you proved to him that you could change.
Come on, Ash. You'll be fine. Kasi namana mo yung strength and kindness ni Tito Edward. And for sure, he want you to use those qualities to continue on. Remember what my mom said? We're always here for you. We may not be Tito Edward, but we're family. Kapatid mo pa rin ako. Parent mo rin si Dad. Mom loves you so much, Ash. We all do. Jasmine.